All right, guys, so we're going to be day one in this bad boy. So let's take a look. So obviously we got a lot of stuff going on here. You can see down in this channel here, a bunch of crap. If you guys watched any of my other videos, how I detail stuff, I had a professional detailing business. More than likely to get this thing right, I'm going to have to get, I already kind of vacuumed this. I'm going to have to pull out the seats. So if you guys want to know how to pull out a Trailblazer seat, but I mean, we're going to get every nook and cranny in here. Just dust. Dirt. It's not sloppy. It's not disgusting. It's not gross. But we're going to pull out these seats. So we'll have videos on how to do that because I'm sure somebody out there needs to know that type of stuff. But yeah, we're going to go along and I'm going to just, like I said, bring it back day to day. How-to videos on how to do some stuff. If you have a Trailblazer Envoy from this generation, I think it was 2002 to 9, I think, when they got rid of the Envoy, Envoy XT and the Trailblazer Extended. And a lot of stuff that's going to be very similar. So if you want me to do a video and take apart this bad boy, I'll figure it out and we'll take it apart. And it's just going to be kind of, like I said, just something to show you how I get every nook and cranny in these cars, show you my tips. Now, I will link a video in this one and every one after this on how to get dog hair out of car. It'll help you cut down your time by at least 2/3 by doing it this way versus trying to just sit there with your vacuum and try and pull it out, especially if it's interwoven and stuff. So yeah, day one, we got a lot of Johnson's baby soap. I know some other people were just asking me about my method on that. So I'm going to be more descriptive on that, on how I do it and how we get into all this stuff and get all these little just finger boogers off of these trucks. Get into the nooks and crannies and just really bring this back to life. You know, we got some Coca-Cola over there in that other screen, how we get into these little orifices and this crap, and how we, like I said, get into everything, get it smelling good, and really, really bring it back. So like I said, I will link those in every single video that I do on this Trailblazer, whether it's an update video or a how-to video, just so it's in there. And if I forget, guys, somebody just remind me to put it in there. As always, guys, day one, Trailblazer. Catch you on the next one.